Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Make sure Mlbb is updated and your account is backed up because you'll modify files. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging on your phone so you can transfer or edit resource files. Then connect via ADB or a file manager app that supports OB/data access. You do this to access UI assets and shaders. Finally, extract or copy the game UI folder to a safe workspace. This is where you'll apply night mode assets and test without risking the live install. You now edit the assets. Locate UI textures, palettes, and shader files inside the OB or asset bundles. Once located, duplicate originals with a back extension so you can revert. Next, create night mode textures, darker backgrounds, muted highlights, and lower saturation values, and place them in a parallel folder. Then edit shader parameters to reduce brightness and shift hues toward cool blues if shaders are packed. Use a bundle tool to inject replacements. Make sure to keep file names identical to the originals so the game loads your night variants. You finish by copying your modified assets back into the OB or game data location, preserving file permissions and timestamps where possible. Once installed, launch Mlbb and test in a private match. Confirm HUD readability, contrast, and that FPS or memory use didn't spike. If the game crashes or UI breaks, immediately restore the back originals, clear app cache, and revalidate files, then iterate with smaller changes. One key tip: if textures fail to load, check file names and case sensitivity, and confirm correct compression settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.